What's up, big boys? BigSteve back with another video, food review. Alright, so today we got some dry ass chicken patty. We got thick, really thick tomato ketchup. We have some cream pies, and I know a lot of people like cream pies. Or crumpets, I don't know what these are called. Probably crumpet, as they say in Britain. Then we got some grilled island teriyaki Asian pork jerky. Now, I traveled all the way to Jamaica to get this, so you better be grateful that I'm trying this. Oh boy, where do we begin? This all looks busting, except for this dry ass chicken patty. Look at this. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. I don't even want to try that, to be honest with you. Alright. Get some thick tomato ketchup. We're gonna bust it open and squirt it everywhere. All over the place. We're gonna just squirt it. Alright, we busted it everywhere. Sorry, some fat retard is trying to talk to me. Alright, so we got the ketchup, the thick, creamy ketchup. Look at this. You see that? Alright. Oh my god. This bun looks disgusting. Look at that. It looks like a fucking breast implant, to be honest with you. Anyways, just give it a go. Now, here's what I gotta say. You can obviously see that this chicken is processed and ground. And what that means is it's been through a factory, so it's probably rat shit in it. Kind of tastes like it too. There's also a nice thin coat of batter around the patty itself. Most likely frozen, I wouldn't doubt it. School's not, that well funded to make us stuff from scratch, The ketchup, it really tastes thick and creamy, and I like thick and creamy stuff. Anyways, on to the Jamaican jerky that I got from Jamaica itself. Alright, so we have the packet, and then here's the jerky. So let's give it a, no, I'm just kidding. Alright, we got the jerky. Look at it. This is probably the best part of my meal today, besides this low calorie thing. Alright, anyways, here's the jerky. Alright. Alright, at first, it tasted like anal. But then as you go on, it tasted pretty good. It tasted real good, actually. After first initial trying. So I gotta say, probably a 7 out of 10. Not the best jerky I've ever had. Oh yeah, we forgot to rate the chicken patty. I'd give the chicken patty a 5 out of 10. Pretty in the middle. We gotta get our thumbnail before we forget. Alright, there we go. We got our thumbnail. Alright, last. Oh no. No, wait, this is the last thing. Alright, this is the last thing. Crumpets. Got some crumpets. Creamy crumpets. They're just gonna fill me up so good. Man, I love crumpets. Alright, doesn't want to open. I think my fingers are too chubby. Alright. We're gonna just pop one of these bad boys out. Alright. I'll give the other one back to Joseph. He want one. This is busting, bro. 10 out of 10. Alright. Thank you for stopping in on my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out, big boys.